that. And that farmer cookie.
What are you making?
Pilgrim hat cookies.
Pilgrim hat cookies? What are you making them for?
I'm making them for Thanksgiving.
For Thanksgiving? Are you excited about Thanksgiving?
Yeah. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is Monday, Mommy.
You like the cookies, Mason?
He wants a cookie.
Mason, you like the cookies?
He wants a cookie. He wants a cookie. Dwayne, come around. He likes the cookie.
That's a whole cookie there. You think you'll eat it?
Yeah, it's sticky to eat it. I got some more. I got some more. No.
What is it?
It's it's hats.
Are they good? Is that good? Is that the best part?
Mm-hmm.
The top?
Last time
How many cookies did you make?
I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the Pilgrim hat cookies I ever saw.
They're the best Pilgrim hat cookies you ever saw?
Yeah. My favorite.
They look delicious.
Yeah, Mama. Mason is a crabby.